On my way to DC. Flight takes off in about 15 minutes. Pray for me. Way too out of shape for this. Hope and pray for the best. Just made it. Last one on. They closed the door right after me. Okay, since none of my people was driving out here to Baltimore to get me, I'm about to get on the Amtrak to Union Station. And my sister finna pick me up and we about to go get something to eat and drink. I can't even see. Hope this is recording. This is cool. I've never had a ride on a MARC train, so shout out to my family for not wanting to come to Baltimore to get me. It's like, nah, I knew nobody was coming. I told them I found my way to Union Station. But shout out to them. New experiences. What's up? What's up? All right, y'all, so that was a nice little ride. I have arrived at Union Station. I love exploring. That was fun. That was fun. So, of course, my sister ain't here. So I'm gonna do a little walking around, see what's popping out here. Try not to venture too far off. But I do need some sun because it's a little chilly out here. All right, y'all, stay tuned. We about to go get something to eat and drink. Who knows where, because we haven't solidified the place yet, but we'll get there. Look who just pulled up. Oh, late self. Had me waiting here for like 30 minutes. It's the disrespect for me. The constant disrespect from people. Hi, sister! Hi! Nothing much. Oh my gosh, y'all. I haven't seen my sister in a year. What? Look who showed up. All right, y'all, it's the next day, and I'm at your other favorite store, Ikea. Me and my parents are here having lunch. Let me show y'all what I'm eating. I got some plant balls and some French fries. And they got some stuff. I don't know why my mom's setting up her plate like that. But yeah, lunch at Ikea. Nice view. We're in College Park, Maryland. Maryland. All right, we are now back in the District of Columbia. We've been doing a lot. We went to yard sale in Wheaton earlier, then we was in College Park, then we went to a Goodwill in Bowie. Then my dad had to stop at a storage unit. Now he is at the post office. And I'm tired. I need a midday nap. This is a lot for me. It's a lot for me, okay? It's a lot of movement. I didn't sleep. I didn't like fully sleep last night, so you know, I'm just hanging in there. So let's stay tuned, see what's next, see what's about to happen. All right, y'all, so I'm checking back in. It is now Friday night. Me and the fam, we are headed to the park. They're having an Afrobeats party, so we outside. I'm finally wearing one of my Instagram outfits out, as I should. The fam back there, trying to make sure they got their tickets together. Osar right here. And thought to have a little fun night out in DC. Happy birthday, mother! The next morning, last night was a great time. We was lit. We were super lit. Now they have the non-meat eater making the third round of bacon for the day. Make it make sense, y'all. Cocoa bread, impossible beef patties, vegetable roti with jerk gravy. Okay, she's trying to catch birds. I am a little late, just a little late. Heading back to Atlanta. Bittersweet, fun time with the family. So happy to see there's no line. Of course, by the time I got back to Atlanta, I was hungry, so I went to Blaze Pizza. This cheesy bread is so good. It's made with vegan cheese, and I also got pizza too. Now, while I didn't eat all of this, it was good. So all in all I do is eat, no matter what on my trips. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.